In a time where stretching your dollar is more important than ever, we're diving into 30 essential low-income frugal hacks. These tips aren't just about penny pinching, they're about making smart choices in a modern world. Tip 1. Embrace digital coupons and cashback apps. With the rise of digital shopping, use apps and websites that offer coupons and cashback on purchases. It's a modern twist to traditional coupon clipping. Tip 2. Smart home energy management. Invest in a smart thermostat or use smart power strips. These can help manage energy usage more efficiently, reducing monthly bills. Tip 3. SAA community solar programs. Explore community solar projects in your area. They offer a way to benefit from solar energy without the need for personal installations. Tip 4. Telecommuting to save on commuting costs. With more companies offering remote work, take advantage of telecommuting to save on transportation costs. Tip 5. Sharing services. Instead of owning a car, consider car-sharing services available in many urban areas, which can be more economical for occasional use. Tip 6. Vertical gardening and hydroponics. In small apartments or limited spaces, try vertical gardening or hydroponics for growing your own food. Use public Wi-Fi hotspots. Save on your internet bill by using free public Wi-Fi hotspots safely, available in many public areas. Tip 8. Utilize online learning platforms. Many platforms offer free or low-cost courses to enhance skills or learn new ones, increasing employability or personal development. Refurbished gadgets. Opt for refurbished electronics. They often come at a fraction of the cost of new models and are environmentally friendly. Tip 10. Meal kits on a budget. Some meal kit services offer affordable options which can save time and reduce food waste, while providing healthy meal options. Tip 11. Community-supported agriculture. Participate in CSA programs where you can get fresh produce directly from farmers at lower price. Tip 12. Rent or borrow instead of buying. In 2024, the sharing economy is booming. Rent or borrow items you use in Tip 13. Make your cleaning products. DIY cleaning products are not only cheaper, but also reduce the number of harmful chemicals in your smart water usage appliances. Invest in water-saving appliances like low-flow shower heads and dual-flush toilets to reduce water bills. Tip 15. Consolidate streaming services. Rather than subscribing to multiple streaming services, consolidate to one or two, or use ad-supported free versions. Optimize your phone plan. Evaluate your phone plan and switch to a more cost-effective option that suits your actual usage. Online healthcare services. Use telehealth services for non-emergency consultations, which can be more affordable than in-person. Tip 18. Local time banks. Exchange services with others in your community without the exchange of money, like tutoring, gardening, or repair work. Eco-friendly insulation. Use eco-friendly methods to insulate your home, reducing heating costs in winter and cooling costs. Tip 20. Barter and trade online. Leverage online platforms for bartering and trading goods and services without spending money. Tip 21. Community entertainment and events. Keep an eye out for free or low-cost community events for entertainment and socializing. Tip 22. Group fitness in the community. Join community or park group fitness classes, which are often free or low-cost compared to gyms. Mindful and minimalist living. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle, focusing on needs rather than wants, reducing clutter and expenses. Automate your savings. Use online tools or apps to automatically transfer small amounts to savings, helping to build a safety net over time. Upcycle and DIY projects. Get creative with upcycling. Turn old items into new treasures with DIY projects. Explore low-income subsidies. Research and apply for any government or local subsidies or aid programs for which you may be eligible. Electric bike usage. Consider using an electric bike, which is cheaper than a car and more efficient than a traditional bike. Tip 28. Secondhand and consignment stores. Explore secondhand and consignment stores for clothing, especially for rapidly growing children. Energy-efficient appliances. If replacing appliances, look for energy-efficient models that can save money in the long run. Financial education and budgeting apps. Educate yourself on financial management using free online resources and use budgeting apps to keep track of your finances. And that's a wrap on our 30 low-income frugal hacks for 2024. Remember, frugality is about more than just saving money. It's about living a fuller life with less. Here's to a resourceful, smart, and sustainable year ahead. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on living well on a budget.